I'm Yash. Today I'm here to present you how to make a water rocket. First you can see this is a UPVC pipe. This UPVC pipe was initially 8 foot long. Now I have cut it to 1 foot long each into 8 equal parts. Here I have 3 UPVC tees. Make sure that you take all the PVC parts as UPVC. If you take it as CPVC, the parts may not fit. Now over here I have a hose clamp, 2 tire air holes, 4 caps, the PV seal of M-Seal brand, some nylon cable ties, and 2 couplings. Now one of them is drilled on the 4 sides while the other one is a simple one. Here there is also a nylon thread. First let's take 3 PVC pipes and 1 tee. Now let us fit them up with the help of this PV seal. Now you have to apply the PV seal with the dauber in the inner walls of the tees so that it does not drip out. If you apply on the outer walls of these pipes, they will drip and they will make leaks. Also here I have worn some protective gloves to help cover my hands. We have to also clean the inner wall so that the dust doesn't not give any problem. We are also supposed to clean the dust so that this walls will not cause a problem while putting the glue. Now with the dauber over here I am applying it. Now here is the pipe. Make sure you fit it straight and then turn it a little. Make sure that it is completely tight so that the air does not come out. Now you have to do the same on the other side. Here you can see I have fitted both the sides. Now we'll fit up the top one. Now this set is ready. Now let us keep that set for drying while we use another set. Again you have to take 3 PVC pipes and another tee. Now we will take the last 2 PVC pipes and the small half-inch hook. Now we will fit them. Make sure it's straight because this will be the top part. If this is not straight, then the rocket will enter. Now let's take the cap with the drill part. Now let us open the nut. Now let us put it from the inside. Put the washer back in and then put the nut. And now let us seal it. Carefully tighten it and wipe out the excess. These 2 setups are dry. Now we will take the 3 caps, 4 caps and attach it. We will take the glue and put it on the inner walls. Let us apply the glue on this. Now this is your setup is ready. Now on the setup we will put some more parts and then launch the rocket. Now that you've seen how do we make the setup, do you want to also launch the rocket? Come on, let's go somewhere outside and launch the rocket. Now go to the comment section below and type how have you made your rocket and how have you launched it. We are waiting for your comments. And do you want some more projects like this one? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.